All right, let's turn to weather now. A series of violent and deadly tornadoes killed at least 40 people across the U.S. this weekend. The storm system packed 80-mile-an-hour winds, leveled schools and homes. CBS News correspondent Nicole Valdes is live in Sipsey, Alabama. Nicole, what are you seeing? I mean, I can see behind you that the devastation is utterly heartbreaking for folks who've lost their homes and their businesses. What are they telling you?
Vlad, good morning. Look, it doesn't get any easier for the dozens of communities that are waking up to scenes like this. Sipsey, Alabama is just northwest of Birmingham, but you'll notice here some of the mobile homes are unrecognizable. This one in particular lifted off of its foundation and flipped. That's the floor that you see on top of really everything that was once inside of it. And now we're sitting here trying to make out what's left. I mean, you've got a washing machine right here with clothes still inside it. That gives you a bit of an idea that maybe the people who were here either left in a hurry, recognizing just how much danger they were in, or were still maybe caught by surprise when what looks like a twister came barreling through this community. This is just one area of Alabama where we've seen damage to this extent. We know at least 3 people died here. Governor Kate Ivey actually declared a disaster declaration. She put that in place before the storms hit because part of the state was under the highest risk of threat, a level 5 out of 5 from the National Weather Service. So there was some sort of warning really put out for people ahead of this, hoping that they would get out of homes like this, specifically those mobile homes that we unfortunately have seen time and time again end up just in ruin after a storm like this.
The president just posted about these storms on social media, Nicole. What could the federal response look like for these states?
Well, I think what will happen now is the state and the governor's office will get to the president's office and let them know what the need is. Right now, I think top of that list is getting the power back on. Of course, the state is working to do that here at this point, but they want to make sure that they know just how many people lost their homes and what it is they do need, whether that's shelter, whether that's food, whether that's money from FEMA to maybe work on rebuilding or finding temporary housing. So that will happen in the days to come.
All right, Nicole Valdes for us in Sipsey, Alabama. Thank you, Nicole. Appreciate it. Let us bring in CBS News Philadelphia meteorologist Kate Bilo with the first look at the national forecast. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Vlad. Yeah, that storm has been so brutal over the past several days, from Friday all the way through today. We're still dealing with it. Now, the threat for severe weather has diminished, which is good news. But let's talk about what this storm has done over the past 72 hours. Take a look at all of these storm reports. Where you see these red icons, those are tornado reports. Where you see the blue icons, those are wind damage reports. 111 tornado reports. Now, that doesn't mean 111 confirmed tornadoes. Some were the same storm, but many, many reports of tornadoes. Over 2,000 wind damage reports, over 500 reports of large hail, and 72 reports of flash flooding from this storm. And again, it has been a brutal system, and it is still going now over the Northeast, where it is beginning to exit from New England. But there are flood watches in effect for parts of New England today. We'll talk more about that, plus our next coast-to-coast storm coming up. Vlad, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you very much.